Hi friend, in this video I will show you how to use transistor as a switch. You need to find NPN transistor, LED and 10K resistor. Place transistor on the breadboard. My transistor first pin is emitter, second is collector, third is base. Connect your LED minus pin to transistor collector pin. Take your resistor. Connect one pin to transistor base and other pin connect to LED plus pin. Connect some jumper wire to emitter. Connect other jumper wire to LED plus pin. Take battery. Now LED is powered. Now I am going to remove the resistor. When I remove resistor, light is off. Now light is on. This transistor switching configuration we can use so many applications. In my future video I will explain it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.